Do you feel like you're always working hard, but not seeming to really make enough rewards? Many people feel the same. They face the same struggles. So what if you could start making money each day without working nonstop? Now in this video, we're gonna explore the best investment websites that are gonna help you earn daily income. These platforms are easy to use and can help you grow your money fast. So are you ready to learn how? Listen, this is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. Here are 5 fantastic websites to get you started. The first one is stock and bond investment sites that allow your money to grow. Number 2 is high yield savings accounts that give you better interest. Number 3 is real estate investment platforms where you can invest with little money. Number 4 is peer-to-peer lending websites where you can earn interest by lending money, okay? Number 5 is dividend stocks that will pay you regularly when the company makes a profit. Now, think about earning money every day without lifting a finger. It's possible and within your reach. So start today and begin building your daily income. And if you like these 5 recommendations, leave me a like. I love you.